Chibai ule Election Commission of India in Mizoram Assembly in thlan vote share hunatana Christian teniser pathian ni December ni thum sang ni som ni pathum alo ruat to Mizoram mi puitengen na awanga atuk thotan ni December ni lia ason ta hi Mizoram People's Movement Party chuan lomom kan ti tak zeta Election Commission of India thunei tu te chunga lom thu kan soi ane vote share hun sonani theina na arim taka malatu zong chunga ZPM chuan lom thu kan soya theitop chu asul sutu NGO Coordination Committee le Mizoram ko than throi tu committee te malak na fak om kan ti tak zet bok October ni kwa sang ni som ni pathuma in thlan hun puan ani khan vote share hun ata na ruat December ni thum kha Christian te ni ser pathian ni ani awang khan ZPM party chuan angai mo hle a in thlan puan tuk October ni som sang ni som ni pathum khan Election Commission of India ne na vote share ni son turangen na kan party president pulal lian so ta mingin kan lo thlen nga la channa kan don mai lo awangin in thlan nu November ni kwa sang ni som ni pathum khan atrum ni na atan ngin na kan lo thlen le to bokani vote share hun son ani theina atana thanem ngai taka ko hran me puite tong trai na chang tu pathian chu fakinom se ahun taka thok thin kan pathian hian Mizoram mi puite min hrenga ti min hriat thartir tu lo ni se choi moina pathian he na I hlan thewang u ti hi ZPM ngen na ani e kan lo me Mizoram People's Movement Party is delighted by the fact that Election Commission of India has decided to reschedule the date for counting of votes from Sunday, that is 3rd December, to Monday, 4th December. As such, we convey our sincere gratitude to the Election Commission of India. We applaud the combined efforts of everyone involved to make this happen, especially the NGO Coordination Committee and Mizoram Kokran Throitu Committee for their hard work and dedication. When the date for the election and counting of votes was announced on 9th October, ZPM party felt it was most unfortunate that the date for counting of votes was scheduled on a Sunday, which is sacred for Christians. As such, on 10th October, we had submitted the written request to the Election Commission of India to change the date for counting in the name of our party president, Pulalian Sota. And since we did not get any response, another written request was submitted to the Election Commission of India for the second time on 9th November. The people of Mizoram had tirelessly prayed to God for this to happen, and we praise the Lord Almighty for hearing our prayers. Let us all join together in praising Him, for He has done a wonderful thing for the people of Mizoram. Thank you.